Greetings, fellow Ugandans living in Boston. My name is Kyagulanyi Sentamu Bobby Wine. I am here in Boston and I'm glad to be inviting all of you, fellow Ugandans. No matter which political party you belong to, no matter which business you do, you know that Ugandans in America and indeed in the diaspora generally contribute a lot to our economy and contribute a lot to the ideology of Uganda. So I'm inviting all of you countrymen and women to come for a conference hall meeting at 2 Forbes Road, Hilton in Woburn, so we can see it as brothers and sisters. No matter what political party you belong to, no matter what religion or tribe you belong to, you know very well that the future of our country, Uganda, lies in our eyes. So I'm inviting you to have a conversation, all of us as Ugandans. Come with your questions, I'll be able to answer. Come with your complaints, let's share. Come with some advice, and of course those who have some help, come, let's sit down and have a conversation about our country. I'll be very glad to meet you. Come, let's share jokes, let's share some music, let's share aspirations, because we must get together to change our country from what it is to what we want it to be. You're all welcome at the 2 Forbes Road, Woburn, Hilton Hotel this Saturday. I will be glad to meet you. Thank you very much.